Okay, this is verse 3 of I am a child of God. It starts the same as the other verses. I am a child of God. Rich blessings. Imagine the words for a blessing coming out of your mouth and spreading out. Blessings are in store. Store is the future. If I but learn, I'm going to take knowledge from a plate, pick it up, and put it in my head. To do His will, I'm going to use commandments instead of will. Start with a C on the top of your hand and then the bottom of your hand. Putting it up here in the air, which signifies it's God's will, not your will. His commands. I'll live, same as from the chorus, live with Him. Once more, we're going to do again. Lead me, guide me, walk beside me, help me find the way. Teach me all that I must do to live with Him someday.